YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Let's try and see with Dina B. And today I have a beautiful summery sunset kind of look going on. I'm using golden, coppery, orangey kind of colors to give you that summery sunset type feel. I hope you really like it. I really took my time with picking my colors and trying to blend and get my transitions correct. I did some overlaying, which you'll see in the video. Also, when I tell you the struggle was real, and you know what? I'm gonna leave the struggle of this eyelash right here, okay? Because people are always asking, you always cut to the cut when you take your lashes off. I'm gonna show y'all why I cut when I take my lashes off. It's gonna be a whole 15 minutes of me fighting with this eyelash right here. So stay tuned so y'all can see that. Anyways, but before we get into the video, before we get into the struggle of this here eyelash, I'm gonna need you to do one thing, and one thing only. I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Come on, we're close. We're almost to 300. And you know what? I'm gonna need you, since you come and see me anyway, you check in on me anyway, you check in on your girl anyway, just hit the subscribe button so when I upload a video, you can know. Easy peasy. And guess what? It's free. It's free. That's what I'm talking about. Simple. All right, on to the next video. Okay, so I'm starting off with my brows already done as usual, and I am applying a brightening primer from Revlon in the color white. I've been on a search to find a either white base or a something white to go ahead and make my colors pop a little brighter. If you guys know a decent cheap alternative to something that costs like 14 bucks, please let me know. Either that or I'll just have to bite the bullet and buy that $14 concealer from Sephora. But yeah, here I am, and I have my concealer. I tried to lighten it. Like I said, I've been on a quest to try to find a lighter concealer, and then I'll go ahead and blend this out. And once I blend it out, I'll go ahead and start my transition colors. So I'm grabbing my masquerade palette, and I'm grabbing that brown right there on the end on the second row, and I am creating my transition shade. And I'm going to do that on both eyes. Next, I'm grabbing this smaller blending brush, and I am going in the Saharan palette, and I'm grabbing that black color called Chad, and I am creating a crease. And I will do that on both eyes also. Next, I'll grab this beautiful gold color here in the masquerade palette, and I'm using my finger, and I am going into my inner tear duct, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Now with this shimmer, it applies much better using your finger, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab that same blending brush that I did my transition color and kind of just basically merge all those colors together. That way that the transition is smooth and nice and blended. Now remember, blending is your friend, so take your time and blend, blend, blend. Going back into the masquerade palette, we're going to grab that same brown shade from before, and we are going to brighten up or darken, more so, that transition color just to make it pop a little more, because we might have brushed a little bit too much away during the blending process, and we want to go ahead and buff that in so that it shows up a little more. Now grabbing that beautiful champagne color in the Masquerade palette, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrow highlight. Now check out that. See how blinding that is? It's so pretty. I love it. Juvia's Place, I'm not sure if they're still having the sale, but use the code BLOWOUT for 35% off, y'all. Like, I mean, you can at least try it, see if that code still works. I don't know. Then we're going to go ahead and use our makeup wipe to clean up any excess fallout that might be there. And I do apologize ahead of time if my voice is irritating or anything like that. I'm getting over a small cold. So yeah, now we're going to go in with this NYX liquid liner. I am not good at liquid liner, so watch me struggle, y'all. Every day and every night, every night. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this. So now I'm grabbing that brown shade that I used to transition with, and I'm basically doing my lower lash line. It's a new trend that I've started to notice, that people are doing their lower lash line with color also, and I am for it. I love it. I feel like it brings the look together and it doesn't look messy. I used to think it looked messy, but now it looks amazing. Okay, so what I did was I grabbed a little bit of that gold color that I used on my eye, and I just fixed up that that liner. So that's what I did. Now I'm going in with my mascara, and then I'll go in and do my, I think my regular routine. I'm not sure. Am I doing lashes first? Let me see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do my regular routine, which means primer, foundation, highlight, and all that jazz. So y'all can just check me out. I will do a separate review on this toner I'm putting on first. It helps lift your skin. That's all I'm going to say about it for right now. Every day and every night, every night.
this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know.
Now, I will be filming an updated foundation routine because it's summer and girl, we have got to be super matte, M-A-T-T-E, for summer, okay? So there will be a foundation routine coming soon. So yeah, and pretty soon you'll be seeing the struggle with some lashes. Don't come for me, okay? If you know how to do lashes the easy way, please, girl, show me, okay? I need a step-by-step, okay? Because lashes are a struggle, okay? Struggle. If you struggle with lashes, I'm gonna need you to subscribe too. Are you still there? Yeah, I finally got those lashes on. Proud of me, right? Yep, time for hair. And that is how I got this wonderful look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do recreate this look, go ahead and tag me on Instagram, The Real Dina Smith, and I would love to see recreations. Like I said, this only used, I think, 3 or 4 colors out of the Masquerade palette here. It's my girl. Yeah, I'm addicted. Let me show y'all real quick. When I tell you these colors are bomb. Yes, I am blessed to have these colors. But yeah, this beautiful sunset eyeshadow look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for subscribing. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Right there, the bottom, right there. All right, bye.